Hey, my name is Morty.
My name is Morty!
Okay, we're going to do unboxing today. I got a gift from Pickle Rick!
I'm Pickle Rick!
Okay, so I'm going to open the gift. We have to detach the attach like this. I'm using a camera phone because Justin's condenser isn't working, so that's useless. So here you go.
2 hours later. 1 hour later.
We still have like one more to go. Well, I'm going to ruin the plastic.
Kapal na mukha mo!
Alright, this is the best gift I got. Akim! This is the most branded brief in the world.
I've got my tongue between your teeth.
Let me get one and I'll show it to you. Alright. See that garter? It's original. It can extend up to like 5 meters. And it's like mabango. It comes with 3 colors. The gray. The, what do you call this? I don't know, like navy blue. Some sort of blue. And what's this? Like I'm weak in color, It's also like grayish blue. So that's it. That's the easiest unboxing I had. Best. Thank you, Pickle Rick!
I'm Pickle Rick!